It's Sunday, October 5th, 2014, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NEOweather.com video forecast. Here's a look at what's going on as of 11:30 in the morning. There's some clouds floating through. Temperatures are in the upper 40s to near 50. There's lake effect rain over the lake heading towards Buffalo that is not affecting northeastern Ohio anymore. Luckily, temperatures last night really didn't get below the upper 30s. That's because there were too many clouds and too much wind for temperatures to really drop, which is good for anyone who is farming interests and doesn't want it to get cold this early. So not a terrible day shaping up today, just a little bit chilly. Taking a look across the entire country now, there isn't a lot of big weather that's going to have an extreme impact on anyone going on right now. There is a big low pressure system centered just southwest of James Bay, and that is keeping the cool air and the clouds and some showers locked into place across a good portion of the north central United States, the Great Lakes, and the Northeast. That's really the only big ticket weather item across the country. Elsewhere, it is pretty quiet. Some places in the Great Lakes saw their first snow flurries yesterday. Chicago officially saw snow. Columbus officially saw some sort of frozen precipitation, and so did portions of northeastern Ohio, although it didn't stick or anything like that, and we're warming up today. All right, so here are the numbers for Cleveland yesterday. We did 53-41. That 53 was in the middle of the night Friday night. So yesterday during the day, we were in the 40s all day. A little bit of rain at Hopkins. We're running right around normal on the monthly precipitation, above normal on the year. Averages for today are 66-49, records 88-32. We won't touch either one of those. Sunset is at 7:03 tonight. And taking a look through the rest of the day today, clouds are going to stick around, although we might see a little bit of sun later this afternoon. Temperatures are going to warm into the low to mid 50s, so we will be a bit warmer than yesterday, still a little bit below normal. Any lake effect rain has pushed out over the lake by this point. Tonight, a few showers late, lows in the low to mid 40s. All right, so taking a look at what's going to happen over the next few days here across Ohio. Today, nothing to worry about. Tonight, you can see in these lines, these represent the upper level flow, the jet stream. There's a little kink in the jet stream that moves into night and sparks maybe a few light rain showers tonight after midnight mainly. We dry out into Monday morning. However, by the time we hit Monday afternoon, another kink in the jet stream, this one a little bit more pronounced. That might spark a few more showers, maybe even some rumbles of thunder, mainly Monday afternoon and evening. In fact, I'd say there's a pretty good chance of rain Monday afternoon into Monday evening. We briefly dry out Monday night, and then we head into Tuesday. We might start the day pretty dry, but another pretty good little kink in the jet stream works its way in for Tuesday afternoon and evening, bringing another shot for showers, maybe some rumbles of thunder Tuesday afternoon and evening, and then we dry out Wednesday night, maybe a few lingering lake effect rain showers late Tuesday night. Pardon me, I said Wednesday night, Tuesday night. However, as we head into Wednesday, we should be pretty dry. You can see no kinks in the jet stream moving our way for Wednesday. However, we will get into more of a northwesterly flow for Wednesday, which will probably cause temperatures to cool off a few degrees. All right, taking a look at the big picture forecast models now, you can see we have this huge, gargantuan area of cold air, a large upper level trough over the entire eastern United States. That lifts out a little bit to start the work week, but it still stays close enough that pieces of energy are going to rotate around that trough and give us rain chances to start the week like we were just talking about. And it may briefly cool back down for Wednesday. We might get a little reinforcing shot of cool air. However, as we head towards Thursday, that upper level trough begins lifting out. However, you can see there's a kink in the jet stream over the southwestern United States. This might be associated with the remnants of Hurricane Simone in the eastern Pacific. So we might have a lot of moisture work its way out of the southwestern United States towards the general vicinity of Ohio Thursday into Friday. If this was happening in winter, us forecasters would be absolutely pulling our hair out, because in winter this is a classic setup for snow and ice. Luckily, it's early October, so what we're looking at is a chance for a chilly rain Thursday into Thursday night. Before that goes on by for Friday and Saturday looks drier, albeit perhaps a little bit cooler. Active weather does look to continue, however. We're going to have this general trough in the eastern United States, which usually means periodic chances for rain and fluctuating temperatures this time of year. So, as you might expect after all that we just discussed, the 7-day forecast is pretty active looking. Scattered showers and thunder Monday, especially during the afternoon, a little bit warmer than the last few days, highs in the low to mid 60s. Tuesday, another shot for showers and storms, especially during the afternoon, highs in the mid to upper 60s. And then Wednesday, we dry out but cool off a little bit. Before Thursday, that chance for a potentially steady soaking rain moves in and lingers into Thursday night. Friday, we gradually dry out, it looks like, although we will cool off a little bit for Friday and next Saturday. The start to next weekend looks pretty nice, although stay tuned for next Sunday because we are getting into a very active weather pattern, so there are going to be some pretty frequent chances for rain over the next 10 days to 2 weeks. With NEOweather.com, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching.